Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. If you're wondering and wanting to make your Facebook profile private on mobile device, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. Open up the Facebook application for that onto your mobile device, and once you open it up, you need to be logged in first. If you're not logged in, make sure you are logged in into your account. After that, you can tap on your profile directly from your main feed screen. You can tap on this picture of yours before what's on your mind. Go ahead and tap on it. And when you go ahead and tap on it, this page opens up on your screen. You just need to go ahead and tap on the three dot right beside your profile. You can tap on it. And once you're right here, you can just go ahead and either go ahead and manage your privacy. Depending on your app version, you can just go ahead and do so, or you can just go ahead and directly find the option for lock profile. You can tap on those and you can confirm that you would like to lock your profile. This is one of the method, and when you lock your profile, only your friends will be able to see your past and future posts and your videos and stories on your full profile. And the thing is, only friends will be able to see the full resolution profile picture and cover photo, and people will be able to still see your profile if you set it to public post that you tagged in and search for you and send your friend request. You can confirm this up right here, and that should lock your profile. Or if you do not want this, what you can do is you can just go ahead and manage your privacy settings for that. Go ahead and tap on your menu icon in the top right, and that should open up the menu. You can tap on the gear icon and that should open up your settings. From here, you can just go ahead and scroll to the options, or you can select this option for default audience settings. Tap on it, and there you can just go ahead and manage your privacy. You can select your default audience. If you only want specific person, public or friends, you can customize it, or you can go to privacy checkup, and from there just go ahead and customize your privacy, like who can see what you share. Tap on it and you can limit the person. You can just go ahead and walk through the options to make sure that your settings are right for you and continue going ahead and making your profile more private. Also, you can look out for how people can find you on Facebook and those kind of features, and that should go ahead and make your Facebook more private. And that's it. So that is it, guys. You can follow up this process if you'd like to make your Facebook profile private. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.